doing good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with what? Yes, very good. With a word of the day. Okay? Word of the day. Every day we are learning a word and its meaning, right? Last class we have learned a word. Do you remember that? Very good. Say copious, right? Copious. What is the meaning? Abundant or many, plentiful, numerous, ample, right? Okay. Today I will introduce a new word. Okay? What is this? Read this word. D-A-W-D-L-E. Dawdle. Am I right? Say this. Dawdle. Are you sure? But that is wrong. Dawdle. Say dawdle. Okay, here we are writing A, but we have to pronounce this dawdle. Okay, the correct pronunciation is dawdle. Say dawdle. D-A-W-D-L-E. Dawdle. Say louder. Dawdle. Once again, dawdle. Okay, what is the meaning dawdle? What is the meaning of this word? Dawdle. Waste time. Okay, wasting time. And be slow. Okay, two meanings are there. Waste time or else be slow. Okay, waste time, then be slow. Which word? Dawdle. Dawdle. What is the meaning? Waste time and be slow. Got it? Yes. See, wasting time. Okay, that is called dawdle. We are doing this, right? Always we are dawdle. Am I right? Yes. See, for example, she mustn't dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay? She must not. Okay, mustn't means must not. Okay, must plus not. She must not dawdle, which means she should not waste her time. Okay, she should not be slow. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay, when we write exam, we waste all our time. At the end, we write quickly. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, that is dawdle. Okay, dawdle means waste of time. Waste in time and also be slow. Okay, she must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay, she must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay, have you got it? You must not dawdle. Okay, you have to write 5 sentences quickly now. Got it? That means you should not waste your time. You have to write 5 sentences by using this word dawdle. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, that is dawdle. Okay, waste time, be slow. Got it? She must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay, did you understand? What is the word dawdle? What is the meaning? Waste time or be slow. Okay? Yes. Now, let's jump into our lesson. Last class, we have completed chapter 4. Am I right? Yes. Today, let's begin a new chapter. That is chapter 5. Okay? Title is What Strange Creatures. Okay? What strange creatures. Got it? Once again, what strange creatures. Okay? See, what is the meaning strange? Strange means new. Am I right? Creatures, all the creatures, living beings, right? Yes, trees, plants, animals, birds, all comes under creatures. Okay? What strange creatures. This is the title. Say once again. What strange creatures. Got it? From this lesson, we are going to learn some strange creatures. Okay, we are going to know about some strange creatures, okay, all the animals and birds, plants, they are special in its way. Okay, that is the big idea we are going to learn. Okay, all the creatures are special in its own way. Now, all of you take your book, take your student's book, open it, page number 43. Have you all taken? Open it, page number 43. Okay, let's do a small activity. Okay, let's go pages there. Have you seen page number 43? Let's go pages there. Yes? Okay. Here they have given some names of animals and birds. Okay? Which of these you haven't heard or seen, you are going to tick that. Okay? Which of these birds or animals you haven't heard, you haven't even heard or you haven't seen, you are going to tick that. Have you got it? Did you get my point? See, here they have given some animals and birds names. Okay, which you don't know. Okay, which you didn't hear or which you didn't see till now, you are going to tick that. Okay, first one, kakapo. Okay, this bird's name is kakapo. Okay, kakapo. This is the name of this bird. Have you heard this before? Have you heard? Have you seen? If you heard or seen, no need to put anything. If you haven't heard or if you haven't seen, tick it. Okay? The next one, kiwi. Have you heard this before? We heard, right? Kiwi? Kiwi bird? Do you know? Yes. If you know, no need to put anything here. If you don't know, tick it. Okay? Then, porcupine. Porcupine, it's a kind of a pig, right? Yes. Porcupine. Have you seen? Have you heard about this? If you haven't seen or haven't heard about this, put tick here. Okay? Then, dugong. Say this, dugong. If you haven't seen or heard, tick it. Okay? Then, platypus. Have you heard or have you seen? If you haven't seen or heard, tick it. Okay? Then, kookaburra. Okay? Kookaburra. Have you heard this or have you seen this? If you haven't heard or seen, tick this. Okay? Have you all done? What is this? Kakapo. This one, kiwi. This one, porcupine. Dugong. Platypus. Kookaburra. Got it? Yes. Let's start the lesson. See, do you know all the birds, animals, plants in this world? Yes or no? Yes. We think we know all the birds, animals, trees, plants and all. We know everything, right? We think like that. But actually, we don't know many things. Okay? We don't know many creatures. Okay? That creatures are strange. Strange means new. Okay? Even we didn't heard about that. Okay? We have so many plants, trees, animals, birds. Till now, we didn't even heard about that. Okay? In this lesson, what strange creatures, we are going to learn some strange creatures. Okay? That some fish, we are going to learn some insect. Okay? Then plants. Okay? We are going to learn about that. Got it? Yes. That strange creatures, they by their appearance, we couldn't imagine. Are they real or unreal? Okay? By that appearance, we can feel like that. Is this a real one or unreal? like that we feel. Okay? Now you are going to see a beautiful creature. Okay, a strange creature. Do you have any guess? Yes or no? Yes, we are going to see a strange fish. Okay, look at this picture. Have you seen this before? Do you know its name? Yes. What is the name of this fish? Yes? See? Paku fish. Okay? What is the name of this fish? Paku. Say louder. Paku. Okay? Paku fish. Got it? This Paku fish is similar to piranhas. Okay? Piranhas means small fish which attack and eat live animals. Okay? This is a kind of fish, that fish which attack and eat live animals. Okay? That is piranhas. Got it? So this Paku fish is similar to piranhas. Okay? Piranhas. What is the meaning piranhas? A small fish which attack and eat live animals. Okay? This Paku fish also similar to piranhas, but one different, that is big in size. Okay? This Paku fish is big in size. Okay? See, Paku fish are found in one particular place, rivers of South America. Okay? We can see this only rivers of South America. Okay? In South America we can see this in rivers. Okay? But mainly, especially one place, Papua New Guinea. In that river we can see this. Okay? We can find this. Got it? Which place? Papua New Guinea. Which country? South America. Okay? Rivers of South America, mainly Papua New Guinea. Got it? Yes. Then one more thing, this Paku fish has big and large set of teeth like human. Okay? Paku fish have large set of teeth like human being. Okay? Then it can eat only nuts and seeds. Okay, it can eat nuts and seeds. Okay, have teeth like human being. That's why it is peculiar. Okay, what is the meaning peculiar? Strange one. Okay, peculiar means strange. Okay, so this fish have teeth like human being. That's why it is peculiar. Okay, so what is the food? Yes, they feed nuts and seeds. Okay, this fish can eat only nuts and seeds. Got it? Yes. Paku fish, we have learned about Paku fish. It is similar to piranhas. What is the meaning piranhas? Small fish which attack and eat live animals. Okay? Then we can find these kind of fish only in rivers of South America, especially Papua New Guinea. Okay? Then they have teeth. Okay? Large set of teeth which makes them peculiar. Okay? The teeth resembles human being. Okay? They have teeth like human being. That's why they are peculiar. Okay? So they feed nuts and seeds. Have you got it? Now let's know about one more fish. Okay? Look at this picture. Have you seen this before? What is the name of this fish? See? The name of this fish is blobfish. Say louder. Blob. Okay? First one, Paku. This one, blobfish. Okay? Blobfish. Have you seen this? Yes. Okay. See, this blobfish we can see only in deep waters of Australia. Okay? Paku fish we can see in South America. Am I right? Yes. This blobfish we can found in deep waters of Australia. Which country? Australia. Okay, that is South America. This one is Australia. Okay, we can find this fish in deep waters of Australia. Okay, then this fish are like jelly. Okay, jelly like flesh. Okay, that body it look like a jelly. Do you know jelly? Jellyfish, have you heard? Yes, this body. Okay, this fish body looks like a jelly. Okay, jelly like flesh. They have jelly like flesh. Okay, then they are weightless. Okay, they are weightless. So they float on water. Okay, because of their lightweight bodies, they float on water. Okay, then they do not swim. Okay, this is the important point. They do not swim. Okay, then they wait on the surface and eat the things which float towards them. Got it? Yes? Okay. Blob fish. Right? Yes, blob fish. Where do we find this? Yes, we can find this in deep waters of Australia. Okay? Then that blob fish look like jelly. Okay, that body, flesh, jelly like flesh. They have jelly like flesh and they float on water because they are weightless. Okay, lightweight bodies. They have lightweight bodies, so they float on the water. Okay, then one more thing, they do not swim. Okay, blobfish do not swim and they wait on the surface and they eat whatever things came towards them. Okay, did you understand? At first, which fish we have seen? Pacu fish. That fish similar to piranhas, but they are big in size. Am I right? Yes. We can find that in only South America, rivers of South America, especially one particular name. Do you remember that? Yes. Papua New Guinea, right? Yes. Okay, then they have huge set of teeth like human, that is, they are peculiar. Then they eat nuts and seeds, right? Then this one, blowfish. This is a new kind of fish. This fish we can find only deep waters of Australia. Then they have jelly like flesh. Then they float on the water because they are lightweight bodies. Okay. Then they do not swim. Then they wait on the surface and eat what comes towards them. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. This much we have learned today. Okay. Dear students, read the text, then underline the hard words. Okay. Then study the meaning. Okay. Piranhas. What is the meaning? Piranhas? Small fish which attacks and eat other live animals. Okay, that is piranhas. Then peculiar means strange. Got it? Yes. Now let's watch the animation video of this part. Are you ready? Yes. Dear students, while you are watching that video, you should listen the audio also. Okay, it will helpful for your reading. Okay, afterwards read the text. Got it? Are you ready? Yes.
You may think you have seen and learnt about all animals and birds around you. But you will be surprised to know that the living world consists of a variety of creatures, animals, birds, insects, and plants that you have not even heard about. Many of these creatures have features so strange that they would seem unreal to us. Let us hear about some of them. The pacu fish are similar to piranhas, but bigger in size. The pacu fish are found in the rivers of South America, mainly Papua New Guinea. These fish have a huge set of teeth that resemble human teeth, which makes them peculiar. They feed on nuts and seeds. The blobfish are found in the deep waters of Australia. They have jelly-like flesh and float on the water because of their lightweight bodies and do not swim. They wait on the surface of the water and swallow food that floats towards them.
Yeah, students, hope you understand this. Let's meet in next class. Bye-bye.